Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you how to weld shapes together in Cricut Design Space software. So if you are wanting to do, say you're wanting to weld together cursive letters, I do have a separate video for that on my channel, so you can check that out. But today I'm just going to show you the basics on how to do the welding. So say I wanted a heart and a star, but I wanted them to be combined as one design, as one image. So if I had this here, and even if I attached this, when I went to go cut it, it's going to cut these lines here, which if you're using HTV, heat transfer vinyl, it's not a huge deal because when you go to iron it, it's going to all melt together anyway. However, if you're using paper or regular vinyl, you're not going to want those cut lines. So if you want this to be one solid image, you're going to select them both, hit the weld option, and there you go. You have one welded together image.